think that so much of the world are visual learners, so being able to see the tangible items and engage in them and catch the different factor disorders and put the pieces together, it brings science to life. And anything that is tangible that you can touch is always more exciting than reading.
Like right here, you can like really see it, and in textbook, you're really just reading it and it's kind of boring. This is like interactive.
When you're able to put your hands on a utensil or on a resource, you're really able to absorb it so much more to where it's not only going to your hands, but then to your brain.
Learning about a viral vector, like what does that even mean? Reading it in a textbook, it's just not gonna make the same amount of sense as if you're able to actually carry the vector from the laboratory to the liver. It really helps highlight this is actually, in theory, a very simple process.
It makes us more engaged. It has us, our hearts, our brains are more interested to play it than read a textbook. And I love how they found a way to make it that way.
It's actually how you learn about your bleeding disorder or someone else's.
When you actually get to feel and touch it, you get to see the actual process of how it actually works.
Because you're creating those like concrete memories of what you're learning, and so it will stick. It applies to your life every day. You're living it, and so when you're applying it and you see it in front of you every day, it's gonna stick, and then you'll be able to share it.
And just makes you think a little bit more outside of the box.